What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to juggle machetes. So the first step to learning how to juggle a machete is don't juggle a machete, right? First you have to learn how to juggle balls, then you move up to clubs, and then you go to machetes. So let's get started. Step one to juggling balls is to start with one ball. And you want to just get used to catching it in one hand, like this, and then tossing it back and forth between the two hands. What you want to do is go on a nice arc, just about eye level, and you catch it in the other hand. Now that you've mastered one ball, we're going to move to two. So first thing you'll do is practice just going in a circular motion where you'll toss this one over and pass this one across, like this. Again, the same arc by your eyes. Then you'll reverse it the opposite way. Once you've mastered the two circles, you're going to do a cross pattern. So you're going to toss this one up, and just as it gets to the top of the arc, you're going to toss this one underneath it, so it's going to go here. You're going to toss, toss, then catch, catch. So it's 1, 2, boom. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. That's it. Once you've mastered the toss, toss, catch, catch, you're able to juggle. You just have to keep doing it now. So it's going to be toss, 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 don't stop. Just toss, 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 and there you go. You're juggling. So the next step is to learn how to juggle clubs. Clubs are very similar to machetes, but they don't hurt you if they hit you in the face. The first step to juggling clubs is to get used to the flip. So you're going to hold it in your hand like this with your pointer, kind of aiming it, and you're going to give a flick with your wrist and let it flip once and catch it. That's it. You don't want to catch too far back because it'll kind of hurt your hand if you catch it by the ball. You want to catch it almost in the middle here and flip with your thumb like that. Once you've mastered flipping in your right hand, you're going to switch to your left hand and do the same thing. It's just a flick of the wrist with your thumb and catch it. Once you've mastered the two flips, now you're going to do the same thing you do with the balls. You're going to just toss it across. So it's a single flip and catch it in the other hand. Single flip, catch it in the other hand. Just like that. So by now you've probably figured out what the next step is. Of course, we're going to take two clubs and we're going to do cross, cross, catch, catch. It's going to feel a little awkward at first, but once you get used to it, you'll be fine. So it's flip, flip, catch, catch. Flip, flip, catch, catch. Just like that. All right, well now you're ready to juggle three clubs. So you'll hold one club deep into the first hand, and then with your first three fingers, you'll hold the edge of the next club, like this. And the other one is just in your other hand. Just like with the balls, when you toss the first club, as soon as it gets to the top of the arc, you'll toss the second one, and then don't stop. All right, well now you're ready to juggle machetes. I think it's obvious, but I'm going to say it anyway. This is super dangerous. You probably shouldn't do it, but that's on you if you want to try. These are real. Now, they're not sharp. It's not going to cut my arm if it hits me here, but it's very pointy. These are real metal, and if it catches me in the eye or in the head, it absolutely is going to hurt, or if I drop it, it goes through my toe, that wouldn't feel good. So be careful if you're going to do this. To juggle machetes, it's the exact same thing as juggling clubs. You're going to start with two in one hand, you're going to flip the first one, and just start juggling.